Guys, wagwan. I hope you're doing great. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome to Sturdy Suggest. If you like what you've seen so far, remember to subscribe before you go. So guys, today I'm whipping up a one-pot chow mein meal, and this is what I want to show you. So I removed the skin from the chicken thigh. To debone the chicken thigh, this is my technique. I lay the chicken flat on a cutting board. I cut along where I know the bone is, and I start scraping away the meat from the bone. Once it's exposed, I just grab that top area and start pushing down the meat with my knife, just like you see I'm doing here. At the very end of this, there is a grizzled type of texture, and I just cut along that and remove the bone from the meat, just like that. Wasn't that hard. Now I'm going to cut the chicken thigh into strips, and I'm using 2 chicken thighs. Once I have the strips, I bundle everything, flip them, and then I'm going to cut this in 2. I want some bite sizes from this piece of chicken, and this is how I got that. Now for the seasoning, I'm using all-purpose seasoning, salt, some garlic pepper rub I got at Walmart, and some olive oil. For putting everything together, you can use a fork, put your hand in your gloves, but this is my personal preference, using my hands and just seasoning everything. For the veggies, I'm using carrot, onion, garlic, ginger, scallion, cabbage, onion, and a green bell. Prepare them ahead of time so you will have them when you need them. Guys, catch the jig. I use chicken feet to make my chicken stock, and this is why it looks like that, but it is so sumptuous. To that, I'm adding cornstarch. We need some soy sauce, some oyster sauce, sesame oil, some more of that all-purpose seasoning, and let it cook down until it gets super thick. Next, we're going to prepare the chicken, and I'm going to pan fry them here until they are golden brown. I don't want to overcook them, so I'm monitoring it as I go. To those chicken, once they're ready, I grate the ginger. We're adding the garlic, the carrots, the onions, and we're going to saute these together with the cabbage and the bell peppers. Guys, while all of this is happening, I cook my noodle. I picked these up at Walmart. It says chow mein in the Asian aisle. Guys, this sauce was the best. I absolutely believe it elevated this recipe to another level. All I did was to throw some chicken feet into a basic chicken stock that I made. And this might sound foreign to you, but don't bash it until you try it. The one-pot meal is finished. And from here, I just garnish with some chopped scallion. Guys, amazing, amazing. It was a pleasure sharing this one with you. I'll see you soon with another incredible recipe. Until then, walk good. Peace. See you soon, guys.